The Austin service industry was in panic mode.
I guess shock is I didn't think with the amount of time and preparation and money and all that they would pull out this late.
Hundreds of showcases and music events were canceled. Bartenders and venue owners were left wondering how to make up for lost performances and paychecks after the coronavirus canceled South by Southwest on March 6th, just 1 week before the festival was set to commence.
So all the money that you were guaranteed, all the money they were going to pay you, all the money you were going to get from band people coming in to see those bands, it's gone, and they're not liable for anything.
Here on Rainy Street, though, there is a sense of a silver lining. Over the past few days, Austin businesses have come together to make the most of the situation. And while South by Southwest may mean less corporations, some say it means more community.
For the past 10 years, like South by's just gotten more corporate. So I think like just seeing people go, hey, we're gonna have more bands, or we're gonna try and book more things, and so it seems like people are trying to get together now and try and make it better than what was expected, I think. So
Bangers, for example, is hosting their own music showcase called Bang by Bang Bang, a day-long concert on March 21st and 22nd featuring bands from Austin and all across the country. They say the show must go on.
And so just now more than ever, we all need to come together because, again, that guaranteed money's gone. The guaranteed gigs are gone. We got to do it. We just have to support the city. How can we all, as a Rainy Street community, get through this? Just have people come out, do a lot of music, a lot of beer, a lot of music.
Ryan Chandler, reporting Texas TV.